You don't want to go back? Hi guys, so today is a good day. We have started off from Lake to Wanaka. We took a little detour at this place called Clay Cliffs, yes, Clay Cliffs.
Clay cliffs are another geological wonder in New Zealand. They were formed millions of years ago by the silt and the gravel of ancient glaciers. As time passed, the high points were eroded, leaving behind these stunning pinnacles of clay and gravel.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, so we have reached Wanaka and we are staying at a place in Albert Town. It's an Airbnb by Graham and Helen. This place is really awesome guys. It's a farmhouse basically. The place is Tea Avo to be precise, and it's a beautiful garden which is maintained by them, and it has access to this river Hawaii. 2 minutes, it's a private access from their home, so just have a look at the river. Next day morning, we had an amazing breakfast at a place called Double Black Cafe in Albert Town. Hey guys! So we are at the lavender farms in Wanaka. These are really beautiful farms. It's actually a working farm where you have sheep and few other animals. Yeah, this is a must do. You can also buy some lavender cosmetics, body lotion, soaps and all, because it's very pure. It smells of lavender so strongly. Must do. First time when we tried tandem kayaking in the very beautiful and famous Lake Wanaka. Hi guys, so we are at this beautiful Airbnb place which is in Wanaka. It is on Tiawa Road, or you can say Albert Town, which is more famous. This is a house by Graham, and it's all awesome guys. The location is awesome. It's kind of a farm stay where you can see the mountains. The room is well maintained. It's clean, sparkling clean, and it's very very close to the river Hawaii. So it's awesome. We had a really great time here. So if you're checking for Airbnbs in this area, this is a place you must check.
Hi guys! Thanks for watching this video. This video was all about our one-day stay at Wanaka. Wanaka was actually our pit stop to Queenstown on our road trip in New Zealand. It was an amazing road trip guys, and I'm sure you would have also done a lot of road trips. please let us know about your favorite road trip in the comment section below.
Yeah, and also if you are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel. We have also created some playlist on our travel to Mauritius and Greece. You can check that. Please like and comment our videos and subscribe to our channel. That will really help us a lot. This is Runa and Gaurav signing off from Wanderlusting. Keep traveling,
Keep exploring.
Until we meet again. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.